Welcome back. Yesterday, we silenced the noise. Today, we look for the truth. Have you ever wondered why you feel a deep, unexplainable need to belong? Or why, even in your quietest moments, you feel like you are part of something much larger than yourself? Many of us spend our lives searching for value in what we do, what we own, or what others say about us. But the answer to who you are isn't found in the world outside. It is written in a language that predates your first breath. It is written in your very foundation. Let's talk about science, but through the eyes of the Creator. We are looking at a protein called laminin. In the scientific community, it is described as the proteolytic seal adhesion molecule. It is the microscopic scaffolding of your body. Think of it as the glue that holds your skin to your muscles and your organs in their place. Without laminin, your physical body would simply fall apart. But as you watch these images, look closely at its structure. It is not a circle, nor a random shape. Laminin is a perfect, symmetrical cross. It has 3 short arms and 1 long stem. It is the architectural signature of the living God, placed inside every human being. This discovery changes everything. For the mature soul, for the woman who has carried the weight of her family for years, for the man seeking peace. This is your certificate of ownership. You are not an accident of evolution. You were crafted with an intention. Long before the world told you that you weren't enough, God signed His name in your biology. He didn't just die on a cross for you. He built you upon one. When you feel weak, when your health feels fragile, or when loneliness knocks at your door, remember this. The same cross that saved the world is physically holding you together right now, cell by cell. Take a slow breath. Feel the strength of your own body. Not your strength, but His. You are a living temple. The laminin in your cells is a constant, silent prayer, reminding you that you are held, you are protected, and you are loved beyond measure. As we continue this protocol, let this truth settle into your mind. Your biology is in harmony with your destiny. Rest today in the certainty of the cross within. This is day 2. Tomorrow we will learn how to clean the roots of our family history. Until then, stay in His peace. Stay in His peace.